All right, this is sample problem 3, dealing with incomplete and codominance. Let's take a look at this problem. In this problem, I have a roan bull, which is a male cow, that's being mated with a white cow female. From our readings and from our class discussion, we know that roan is a combination color. Roan is the result of a red cow, or a red bull mating with a white cow, one red parent, one white parent. When we're dealing with coat color is an example of codominance. The proper notation for the alleles of codominance have a capital letter C, and then the superscript is the letter that denotes the specific allele. So capital R for red, W for white. Roan is a combination of both, where both are showing up. They cooperate with each other. So I have the red allele and the white allele showing up. Okay, if I were to look at this cow's coat closely, I would notice that some hair is red, some hair is white. Both traits are showing up. This is different than incomplete dominance, where we see a blend, a new color completely. Here, both of the different phenotypes are showing up. Let's set up my problem. First thing, what are the phenotypes? I have a roan bull, and I have a white cow. What are now the genotypes of each? Okay, for roan, I have to have one copy of each of the two different dominant alleles. However, in order to be white, I must have both copies of the dominant white allele. There are my genotypes. Next, what are the possible gametes? This is one trait, the two copies of that one trait. During meiosis, the two copies get segregated out so that my possible gametes are CR or CW from the bull. These are now the sperm. The eggs that are produced from this cow are either CW or CW. These are now the eggs. In order to figure out what the offspring are going to look like, I need to set up a cross, with one parent's gametes across the top, the other parent's gametes down the side. Let's go ahead and fill in the gametes. For one parent down the side, the other parent across the top. Now let's carry out our cross. What are the results? Well, this offspring here appears roan in coloration because they have a copy of each of the two dominant alleles, as well as this one in this box here. So I have 50% or 2/4, which are roan in coloration, and these bottom two have both copies of the white allele, so I have 50% who are white in color. The last part of the question goes on to ask, could red offspring be born to a white cow mated with a roan bull? And the answer is no, because I can see from the results of my cross that no red offspring were found.